Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today, I'm kind of shocked at myself, to be honest. Like, that's kind of the mood today. Ended up taking a few orders on Uber today while also working on some other stuff for the channel and just trying to get some meals ready because I've been doing a lot of meal prep lately. And I don't know if it was because I had something emotionally heavy going on in the background. Not me personally. Like, I usually like to listen to something when I'm cooking, so I'll put something on the TV and I'll just listen to that. Or if I just wasn't in the mood for some reason. I'm not typically like that, but for some reason, I think I might have been this time around. For some reason, I ended up doing something that was not in character for me, to say the least. Or more appropriately, I ended up not doing something that is in character for me. So I ended up going to a restaurant to pick up an order and drop it off like I normally do. And then I got an order for KFC that, again, was supposed to be a quality order. I get to the location and, of course, I get the whole, oh, she picked up the order already spiel, which I question whether or not that was the reality, but it is what it is. Now, normally what I would do here is I would hop on the phone, talk to support, let them know that this is what happened, and get the cancellation fee. And I would go into it knowing that it's going to be a fight, because everybody knows dealing with support these days, they always say that they don't provide the cancellation fee anymore. And then if I fight them enough, and if I get the recording, and if I do all that, I can actually get the payout that I want. And for some reason, I just wasn't in it today. Like, I just didn't want the hassle of fighting somebody over the phone. Like, I normally am not worried about shit like that. I'm still not worried about shit like that. But it is interesting because it still does happen. Like, it's not like it doesn't happen. And unfortunately, I was just so emotionally out of it that even though I know that I was in the right and I could have very well done that, I just wasn't here for it. I was able to do other orders for the night as well. That's why I'm like trying to get a video done pretty late. And I was going to slapdash a video together with AI, but then I ended up getting into a topic that I'm like, hold on, this can actually be really good if it's done properly. Let me make sure that this is done right. So I focused on that for a little bit, but honestly, I'm wondering if I'm changing as a gig worker, right? Like, am I changing so much to where I'm not willing to fight those battles anymore? Or is it just today? Was it just because I was emotionally heavy because of what I was watching? Was it because I wasn't feeling 100%? Like, I got a little nasally thing going on here and my stomach's not 100%, but was that the reason? Or am I just fucking done? I don't know. And I hope it's not the latter because, quite frankly, I just don't want that to be the case. I don't know how else to explain it. I just don't want it to be the case. But regardless, that's what happened. And I am going to be working on other videos instead, I guess. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I'm not going to do a full plug. This is an excuse video. So it is what it is. And until next time.